In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp app for Windows and Mac. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to pick the right version for your computer without getting lost in extra links or confusing options. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com and press enter to go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, click on the search bar in the middle of the page and type ClickUp download, then press enter. Google will show you a list of search results related to ClickUp. Look for the official ClickUp result that mentions downloading the mobile and desktop app, usually titled something like Download ClickUp Mobile and Desktop App Chrome. Make sure it's from the official ClickUp website, not from a third-party site. Go ahead and click on that result to open the ClickUp download page. On the ClickUp download page, you'll see several different options available. ClickUp provides apps for Mac and Windows, and also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android. In addition, you may see options to install browser extensions for Chrome, and sometimes integrations for tools like Outlook. This page is essentially a hub where you can choose the version that matches the device you're using. Take a moment to identify what you need. If you're on a Mac, you'll want the download for Mac option. If you're on a Windows computer, look for download for Windows. The mobile options and browser extensions are useful, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on getting the desktop app onto your computer. Since I'm demonstrating this on Mac OS, I'm going to select the Download for Mac button. When you click this, your browser will start downloading the installation file for ClickUp. On a Mac, this will usually be a .dmg file, and on Windows, it will typically be an .exe file. Once the download finishes, you can open that file from your browser's downloads bar or from your downloads folder, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. And that's it. You've successfully found the official ClickUp download page and chosen the correct desktop version for your operating system, either Windows